Assalamu alaikum. It's Naila Froz Ghazi. I welcome you in my English classroom for Standard 7. We studied lesson number 1.2, odd one in. In this lesson, we learnt about Malti and Rima, and we also have solved some exercises based on these characters in language study. Now, we have to solve some grammar exercises are also given here. So let's solve exercise number 7. In exercise number 7, it is asked, list all the adverbs that end with ly from the passage. What is an adverb? He is asking to write the adverbs ending with ly. An adverb is a word which tells us more about the verb. An adjective tells us about the noun, but adverb adds about the verb. An adverb tells us about the verb, how and in what manner the action is done. Listen these examples. He is a slow driver. Here slow is used before the noun driver. So slow is an adjective here. He is a slow driver. ड्राइवर की क्वालिटी बता रहा है, नाउन से पहले यूज हुआ है, इसलिए एडजेक्टिव है. नाउ लिसन सेकंड एग्जांपल. ही ड्राइव्स स्लोली. ही ड्राइव्स स्लोली. हियर द एक्शन how his driving is described. He described slowly. So here the slowly is adverb because it is describing the action of the noun. He is driving slowly. So slowly is a adverb. In this chapter, so many adverbs have been used. We have to search, collect and write them. Here on your screen you can see I have written the adverbs used in this lesson. I am reading this. You may watch, listen and also you can write them. Number 1. Specially, coyly, rudely, cattily, correctly, uncharitably, snidely, beautifully, mercilessly, roundly. Here are given 10 adverbs I have written from your chapter. If you may find more, try to find and search in your textbook. That is our 7th exercise on page number 7 in our textbook. Now come to the next exercise, that is exercise number 8, language study. In language study, here are described types of noun. Types of noun. You know there are 5 types of noun, but here we shall study only 2 types of noun. That is common noun and proper noun. What is a noun, you know? You know that noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. The name given to anything, idea, thought, that is feeling, that is called a noun. The name given to anything is called a noun. There are different types of noun. Here we are studying 2 types, common noun and proper noun. Now see what is a common noun. A common noun is a name given to a very large group of things. For example, pencil, butterfly, comb, book, school, city, etc. There are names given around us to each and everything. A name is given to each and everything around us. So, what is a common noun? A common noun is a name given to the things which are present in a very large number. For example, girls. There are so many girls in this class. There are so many girls in this city, in the world. Very large group. Rose. There are so many roses. Boys. So many boys. Pen, pencil, desk, bench, wall, roof. So many things. Very large. We cannot count them. We cannot tell how many are they. Or so very large group it is. A common noun is always written with a small letter. That is one thing to identify a common noun, that common nouns are always written with a small letter. They are present in very large number around us. Now come to the proper noun. Proper noun, name given to a particular place, person or animal, is called the proper noun. For example, Rima, Sufa, Akola, Yamuna, Himalaya, etc. There are so many girls in your class, but there will be only one or two girls naming Rima. Almost maybe one girl. हर एक का एक अलग नाम है, हर एक की एक अलग पहचान है, ये उसकी पर्टिकुलर आइडेंटिफिकेशन है. अकोला, अकोला इज़ अ सिंगल सिटी. बॉम्बे, इंडिया, महाराष्ट्र, name given to a particular place is called a proper noun. Holy books, Quran, Bible, Gita, these are also proper noun. Yamuna, names of the rivers, name of the mountains, Himalaya, Satpura, all these places, all these natural objects are single. There may be one or two names like that. So it is a particular name given to a thing, place or person. So we write, you can see on your screen that all the proper nouns are written with a capital letter. So proper nouns are always written with a capital letter. You can identify either it is a common noun and proper noun by watching them, that either it is a common or proper. If it is written with a small letter, it is a common noun, and if it is written with a capital letter, it is a proper noun. See the examples of common noun I am reading. They are present in your textbook on page number 7 also. Girl, boy, town, river, table, pencil, bag, road, etc. Proper noun, name of a girl. Sangeeta, name of a boy. Rahul, name of a place. London, name of a city. Nasik, name of a mountain. Sahyadri, name of a festival. Pravasa. All these are proper noun. I am giving you one homework. You have to collect 10 common noun and 10 proper noun and write in your homework notebook. So our lesson is also over here. So we shall stop here now and we shall study next lesson in the next meeting. Till then, Allah Hafiz and goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.